So, welcome to Thai Foot Massage, and today I want to talk to you all about how to use a Thai foot stick. So it's a very short video to show you how to use a Thai foot stick. So I've got a singular stick here. There are other sticks that you can get, but it's made up of rosewood and it comes from Thailand. And the way we clean them after each client is you can use a wet wipe, and that normally cleans the actual wood on the outside. But they're normally coated with something special, which I don't know what it is, to actually preserve the actual wood itself. So that's where I get all my Thai foot sticks from Thailand. I've got a foot here because I couldn't get hold of someone's foot to show you individually, but I've got this scary foot here, which, you know, it's not normally, but so I wanted to show you how to hold. So it's like holding a pen. You take your top finger and you place it on top of the Thai foot stick. And then when you're doing the reflex points, you elevate your elbow and lower your elbow. Now, the more you increase your elbow, it increases the pressure. Okay? And then when you lower it down, it releases the pressure. Now, if you only go up slightly, then there's less pressure. But the more you go up, the more pressure will be applied. And that's for the reflex points in Thai foot massage. Now, there are a few other areas of holding the stick. So if I've got a foot here, normally I would hold underneath. And the other way of holding the stick is taking your thumb to the end of the stick and bringing your hand inside out. Now, there's a point of hacking where we hack the base of the heel if someone wants firmer pressure. Okay, so all we do is we go in and release, in and release. So I'll just show you fast motion how this is actually done. So this is another way of being able to actually hold the stick. Now, the final way of holding the stick is when we want to roll down the foot. So I've got my foot here, and when I want to roll down, I use like a turning motion to roll down the foot. So they're the three simple ways of using the Thai foot stick. We have many continual professional development courses. So if you are interested, come on over to Reflexology UK and we can show you how to do a Thai foot massage. And it's an accredited course.